Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable as a lightweight CRM for startups, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Airtable website and creating a free account if you don't have one. Once you've signed up, log in to your Airtable dashboard. Click on the Add a Base option to create a new base for your CRM. You can either start from scratch or choose a template. For beginners, selecting a template is a good choice. If you choose a template, browse through the available CRM options and pick one that suits your needs. Now, name your base appropriately, something like Startup CRM for easy identification. Once your base is created, you'll see a default table. This is where your data will be stored. Customize the table by renaming the columns to fit your CRM requirements. Typical columns might include name, email, phone number, status, and notes. To add a new column, click on the plus icon next to the existing columns. Select the data type for each column. For email, choose email, and for status, use a single select option. Next, input some sample data to get familiar with the interface. Click on a cell to edit and fill in details for the contacts. To add more rows for additional contacts, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the table. As your list grows, you may want to categorize your contacts. Use the status column to indicate whether a lead is new, in progress, or converted. Consider creating additional views to segment. Click on the View drop-down in the top left corner. Choose Grid View and create custom views like hot leads or follow-up needed. You can apply filters to each view to see only the records that meet your criteria. Another useful feature is the collaboration tools. Invite team members by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. Enter their email addresses to grant them access to the base. To visualize your data, explore Airtable's chart and calendar options. These can help you track important deadlines or progress over time. Save your changes regularly to ensure all your data is up to date. As you get comfortable, explore automations and integrations that can enhance your CRM experience. Set up reminders or notifications for follow-ups directly within Airtable to stay organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.